So, you work at the Krusty Krab and your best friend is Bubble Buddy. You just might be SpongeBob. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we're back once again taking a look at how to do a cool little trick here and create diamonds on any shape or object in Blender. So I'm going to use default cube here, hit tab to go into edit mode, just right click this and subdivide it a couple of times just so we have a couple of faces to work with. Now, if you can't tell, obviously, if we were to go ahead and, select some of these faces here, you can't really make diamond shapes because this is like, cubes. It's just squares. So let's just double tap A here, select everything. And what we can do is we can go up to face mode up here and hit poke faces, which puts a little vertex in between, like in the middle of all of these squares. And then to make this into diamonds, I mean, you could just use these little triangles here, but to make these into actual diamonds, we go back up the face, and then we go all the way down to where it says triangles to quads. And then boom, as you can see, you have nice little diamonds here, which is really cool. So you can just like inset these, hit E to extrude some things out. You can select multiple of them, hit E to extrude them inwards, and now you have cool little diamonds you can put on things if you need to. So that's really, really cool, really, really easy to do. And I don't see people talking about this very often. So there you go. There's your diamonds. You can do this on any shape as well, not just on default cube, obviously. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you guys later. But until then, bye-bye.